Okay, we're doing a repair on the N Inflatables belly bouncer, and the whole purpose of this video is I want to show you guys kind of a year-end review of these units. I absolutely love these units. I love them for the way that they look and the quality of the bounce itself. The problem comes in with the heads. N Inflatable uses a lighter material on the heads, and that is done so that the fluff doesn't create a whole lot of weight for the unit. If you used a big or a heavier material on the head, it'd be really heavy, and it may sag or whatever. So to look good, they have to do it. I understand why they do what they do. The problem comes in is that it is a magnet for kids to jump on the head, jump on the neck of the unit, and this causes a lot of stress on a weak material. And in this case, we have a big hole, as you can see. So we're going to get the hole repaired, but I wanted you guys to know, when you're dealing with the belly bouncers, it may be in your best interest to let the parents know that they need to watch these kids and keep them off of the head. Also remind them what an expensive repair it could be, because it could be several hundred dollars, up to $1,000 if you send it back to N Inflatables to get this repair done. We have been trained on how to repair, and this is not a crucial area. It's all just fluff. It's not something that's going to be affected by the kids. They're not supposed to be jumping on them. So we're going to do the repair ourselves, but just want to let you guys know about that. Thanks.
Dang, no, they have them. I was looking to see if I could do that.
You have to forgive the tape residue. This came from the customer trying to repair their thing. But as you can see, the sew job here, but it also went all the way up here. So yeah, nice fix. Good job. Just kind of give you guys an image of the head and how it turns out being something that kind of is attractive for the kids to get onto. Again, something that looks really nice, but this section right here, the kids want to jump on, and it creates a situation where they're trying to be on a ride or something like that. So